good, everyone? Welcome, it's me, Robin.
And me, Emily.
And welcome to our channel, All in One.
And thank you so much for watching.
Today, the video will be about making scones. Now, if you enjoy scones, you will enjoy this video. So, let's get into it. Firstly, what you're going to need? You're going to need a bowl to mix. Okay, once you have that bowl to mix, you're going to need a sieve. Sieve to sift your flour, your caster sugar, your baking powder, and even your salt.
So for the recipe for scones, you'll need 500 milligrams of snowflake cake butter or 280 grams. You'll need 15 milliliters of baking powder, 2 milliliters of salt, and 750 milliliters of caster sugar, or 60 grams, whatever you use. You'll also need 65 grams of margarine or butter. You will use 1 egg and 125 milliliters of
Now once you have all of your ingredients in the sifter, you just need to sift through it. Just sift through it. Get that all out. All of it. All the way to these little bits here, you see? Now most of this is gonna be salt and all that fun stuff. But if you do find things that you don't want in there, you can always just throw it out. Okay, now that it's all nicely sifted, I will then take the butter, right, that we've measured, that we've weighed for 65 grams. This is 65, right? Okay, then all we do is that we drop it in our dry mixture. That's all. Now what we want to do from here is that we want to make it into kind of like a breadcrumb type of texture. So you squish the butter, you squish it and you squish it and you squish it into the flour and everything. You make sure you get it mixed in with every little bit of flour that you have. Okay, you mix it nicely, thoroughly. Mix. This should take you about 5 minutes or so. And yeah, just mix. You must get your hands dirty, yeah? You really must. It's very important that you do.
So next we're going to add 2 eggs into the mixture. And how much milk? 125 ml.
Now, time to add my wet mixture to my dry mixture. Now, once you've added the wet ingredients to your dry ingredients, what you will have to do now is use your hands, or you can use a wooden spoon if you want, but I prefer my hands. It's easy. So you go, grab it, and just mix. Let's get all the flour together with the egg and milk. Show you every little bit of flour. That's what you want. Just leave no flour behind. Okay, now it won't begin to stick to your fingers, but do not worry. Whatever you cannot get off, you can always just add a bit of flour to your hands. Very little bit of flour. Not too much flour, obviously, but just add a bit of flour to your fingers and to come slide right. Just a little bit like that. Now whatever excess you have on your fingers, you can just simply wash it right off. Now, once your hands are clean, it'll be a lot easier to touch the skin, you see. It doesn't stick to you as much. So I want you to take advantage of this moment. Make sure you get every little part of dough in there together. Roll it into a nice little ball like this. Get everything in there. Roll it into a ball. Right, get as much dough you can. And there we go. Now you have this little ball. Okay, I'll show you what to do with this now. Okay, now what I want you to do is you find yourself a nice clean spotted counter. Nice clean counter. Take your flour, sprinkle it all over the counter. Just like that. And what you need to do next is take your ball of dough, place it on the flour. Then, instead of using a rolling pin, because a rolling pin will get it too flat, I want you to press it on your hands. Just press it. If it sticks a little bit, it's okay. Just try not to allow your hands to stick. If it's sticking, use the back of your hand so it doesn't stick too much. Okay, just go ahead and yes. Okay, make it nice and flattish. Very flat leaf, not so much dough up like this. That's the type of thing you want to keep the dough at. Just like here. Now, okay, my dough is all nice. It's at the right length. Now what you do is take a glass. Simple glass like this, okay? Now you have flour on your table. Just roll it in the flour like this. Just the lips into the flour. Okay? Mix it nicely. You don't want it to now stick to the glass. Once you've done that, okay, then you can just simply put it on the dough and press. So now, once you've gone and made your home, there's your first scone. The scone is done already. Okay, it's finished. Put it on the side. And then you just continue. Now, once you've made your perfect looking little scones, what you do is you get yourself a pan, a tray, a oven tray. You then coat it in butter and you sprinkle a little bit of cake flour over it. You just place your scones down with an even distance between each one, so you can obviously grow as it goes. Place them like this. I like to roll 3. This is obviously the first bit of the scone we need. Now come back to the dough that we have. What you want to do here, since now you have all this extra dough, now put it back into a bowl. Put it all back into a bowl. Okay, remember, when you have extra, put it back in the bowl. That's all you have to do, just put it back in the bowl. Okay, you don't want to get too dry with all this flour, so try your best not to mix it. Put the flour around it. Okay. Yeah, flatten it out again and again and again. Then you've used up all those dough. throw this in on tray. There. It's gonna go there. It's gonna go there. It's gonna go there. As you can see, we need to make space, so we just simply move things up. Simple as that. A little bit. Still leaving a good amount of space. Always like to leave roughly 3 centimeters, 2 inches, roughly 3 centimeters. That gives us more than enough space. Now in a situation like this, we just go off to the side. So the deal breaker, if you don't have enough space on your tray, what you have to do is just cook the ones that are in there, and then once those are done, you just put the others on. Time to go into the oven. Right, now of course you would have to preheat your oven. I preheated this oven at, we preheated this oven at 130 degrees Celsius for about 20 minutes. Now we're going to place it in. And then we close. Now once it's in the oven, set and wait about 15 to 20 minutes. And it will be done. If you want to put it up to a higher temperature, like we will now put it on. Now we put it on 80, so you can speed up. So from 15 to 20 minutes, so it should be done. And I'll show you how it should look when it's done. Okay. See you then. Now, once you have waited about 15-20 minutes, open the oven and have a look at your scones. Now I'm going to take them out. There you go. Great. Okay, now you check. Roll it in, roll it out. Nothing stuck. For the next one, nothing. Try all the way across to the other side. It's perfect, nothing sticky. Yeah, no. Now the scones are white, yes, which is how they're supposed to. If they aren't this type of white, then they aren't done properly. Okay. Is pick it up, place onto a plate. Okay. Now there's many things you can do with a scone. There's many things. You can obviously cut it in half. Cut this one in half. See how soft it is. So soft and fluffy on the inside. Okay. What you can put on there, you can put butter. Okay. You can put butter on there if you want.
Jam.
Yes, even some cheese if you want.
The possibilities are endless.
But the most common thing to have with your scone, which unfortunately we do not have, but the most common thing you should be having your scone with is fresh cream and strawberry jam.
That will make your scone so good.
So that's the proper way to eat the scone. But then again, a scone as delicious as this can be eaten in any way that you want.
Like I said, the possibilities are endless.
So simple. Yeah, so simple. Just like this.
Cheers.
Absolutely delicious and very soft. Very fluffy. And wow. Eat it while it's hot. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed.
Make sure to like, comment, and tell us what you want to do. And tell us what you want to do in our next video.
And obviously subscribe if you enjoyed. If you want to see more, we will post these. And yeah, appreciate it so much. Enjoy it.
Bye.